So welcome back to my channel. In this video I present to you garden decor ideas. So let's start. Maximizing space with hanging basket plants. One of the primary advantages of using basket planters is their ability to maximize space in your garden. If you have limited space, hanging baskets are a practical solution. By suspending your plants from hooks or brackets, you can utilize vertical space, allowing you to grow a wide variety of plants without cluttering the ground. Hanging basket plants offer unparalleled versatility and flexibility in gardening. With a vast array of plant options available, you can easily experiment and diversify your garden. Mix and match different plants in a single basket or create captivating use tire to grow a vegetable garden. They can work as any other traditional plant holder. Simply fill the center of the tire with nutrient-rich oil and place seed of the diverse vegetable plants for a beautiful lush garden.